My fellow ObiDients, please stop saying vote wisely. The implication of saying that is that there are other options. Let's start saying categorically, vote Peter Obi or vote for a new Nigeria of our dreams. Let's be clear. PDP or APC is like a choice between sniper and otapiapia. Maya no do. See, before this reawakening of the exceptional Nigerian youth's role in politics, we would always say, let's vote for the lesser evil. My guy, there's nothing like lesser evil. Evil na evil. Call a spade for Christ's sake. Fellow frustrated Nigerians want to vote for integrity, capacity, competence, and physical fitness. Yes, to say vote wisely means that we have options of APC and PDP. No. However, this is the implication. Let me break it down for you. We know that APC or PDP have links to terror group, right? It's time for fellow frustrated Nigerians to come together to fight a common enemy. I beg una see what they happen for Enugu and waiting they happen up north. A vote for PDP will boost the morale of those foreign Fulani killer headsmen. Talk less of a Muslim ticket. It will be saying to ISWAP and the rest of the Islamic terrorists that Nigeria has accepted Islam, which is not true. There is really no wisdom in voting APC or PDP because not the same Ashawo Mama upon them. And what do I have to say to them? Waka.